It's 2026. Why haven't you started a channel yet? That's what I want to know. I want to know what your excuse is. And I want to, and I'm going to tell you right now, here's the excuses that are invalid. I don't know what I want to do. I don't have the equipment. I'm not good at talking in front of the camera. I'm not good at coming up with ideas. I'm not good. All of that, invalid. The way you start is you start. You hit record, you upload that first video. Go back and look at Mr. Beast. Dude's worth $1 billion. Go look at his first videos. They're terrible. It took him years before he figured out his niche. And he started, I think, by reading like every word out of the dictionary or something ridiculous. You got to find out what you're passionate about. And the best way to do that is jumping feet first into the fire. Once you start making videos, you will quickly learn what you can make videos about and you're passionate about that both work. Because there could be stuff you're passionate about that is a real pain in the ass to make a video on. All right? Or just doesn't come through on video. And in which case that's not going to work. But these days, and trust me, as a father of three, where all three of my children do not in any way, shape, or form want to do social media, I have the only three kids who are not interested in that. It's just crazy to me because if you're doing the work, if you've got a job, if you're out there, I mean, look at the guys. There are guys out there who are out pressure washing houses and they started doing YouTube videos. And now they're out there pressure washing houses and sidewalks and driveways for free just so they can get content because they make that much money on YouTube. There's people mowing yards for free so they can get content on YouTube. There is something, I'm not suggesting you do it for free, but imagine if you're just getting started at a business. Can I make money doing this? Well, can you make money doing that? Also make money from YouTube. Add in affiliate referrals like, hey, this is the mower I use, or here's the hair brand, hair dye that I use, or here's the computer tech that I use. And be honest about it. Always be honest. But if you could do all that, that's now 3 streams of income. And guess what? They all build off of each other. All right? Because somebody's going to watch your video and be like, oh, I really want to do this. I want to pressure wash my own house. Oh, that's a lot of work. I'll just call this guy and see if he'll do it for me. You can drive business to your business, which creates videos, which makes you money, which gets referrals. Those people then talk to other people who watch your videos, and the circle goes round and round. That's how you gain real independence in 2026. Stop working for other people. Start working for yourself. If you've got a question or something and you're not sure what you want to do, you want to flesh it out some, put a comment down below. If you got a video you want me to answer some questions on how to make content, put it down below. There's lots of ways you could do it. All you need to get started is a cell phone. All right? If you want something more advanced, I cannot recommend enough the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This thing's absolutely fantastic. It's a full gimbal like you'd get on a drone in the palm of your hand. You want to turn it off, you just flip it down. It counts down, it goes to sleep. You can control it with a little joystick here. You got recording, it's got a built-in microphone. It can also wirelessly connect to one of the DJI microphones, so you can wear that. You've probably seen it in one of my videos, I'm wearing it. There's all sorts of extensions and other kind of doodads you can hook it up to. Makes filming so much easier. There's lots of tools out there. All right, I'm filming on a camera right now that's worth about $2,500, including the lens. For 8 years of my YouTube life, I used a webcam and a cell phone, and a mid-tier cell phone at that. I only upgraded because I could, and for the fun of it, because I like photography. You don't have to do that, folks. You don't have to have any of this. Just get started. Go back and look at my old videos on my main channel, The Den of Tools. Go check it out. I got a little silver play button right there that I've probably earned 3 times over. I'm at 320,000 subscribers. I'm a 57-year-old dude living in Montana. If I can make money, good money, doing this, all I hear from you is excuses. Stop making excuses. Start making success. All right, if you like what we do here, go ahead and chomp the old like button, smash that subscribe, ring the bell on the way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.